everybody, it's Miss Marie, and today for STEAM Thursday, I hope that you stopped by the library and picked up a kit to make a Valentine mobile. If you did not, that's okay because you probably have some of these things around your house that we're going to be using, and you can just grab some supplies from around your house. Or you could still sign up for one. I think we still have some left at the library. So what you're going to need are some pipe cleaners. I used 2 white and a red one. You can use different colors if you like. It doesn't have to be Valentine's mobile. It could just be a nice mobile. I used some rainbow colored yarn. I think I had about maybe 8 feet of it or so that I gave out to everybody, but you don't need quite that much. You can use whatever you can find. And some beads. And the beads I have are all different colors, sort of like neon colors, and some of them are heart beads. So I think that'll be really fun to decorate our mobile. So let me just separate out some of my yarns here. I've already cut mine. Yours is probably all one long piece. And that's fine. I'm looking for my short one. Okay, here we go. All right, so I'm going to turn the camera down so you can see what I do with my materials here. Okay, so I've got the pipe cleaners, the white ones. What I'm going to do is I'm going to attach them together in one spot by twisting the ends of it together. And now, let's see, when I'm done, it'll be a circle. Okay, but I'm not ready to make my circle yet because I'm going to put some beads on there. And then you can do however you like. You can do a mix of beads, different colors, however you want to do it. It's your mobile. I'm just going to put all different colors on there. I'm not going to do really a pattern. And I'm just going to keep doing that. And you can make it as full or as not full as you like. Okay, so I added all my beads around, and like I said, you don't have to put all of them on. You use as many as you like. There's the top part is where I joined it together, and then I'm going to leave that uncovered by beads because I'm going to need to cover that with some yarn. And the same thing at the bottom. I'm going to join them together and twist them around. And I'm going to leave this space open because I'm going to add some strings hanging down. And the only thing I did was I kept out one bead, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with that. I'm going to take my red pipe cleaner. I'm going to put the bead on there and get it towards the middle. And you can find the middle of the pipe cleaner by bringing the 2 ends together like this, and then smoothing it out and making like a little fold in the right. It'll be right in the middle. Like that. So now I've got this pipe cleaner folded right in half, and I even have a little heart bead on there. And then I'm gonna bend these two, the top pieces, together into a heart shape. And I'm gonna join the 2 ends together like that by twisting them around each other. And then you can even poke this in a little bit, make the V a little sharper, and now you have a heart. That's the fun thing about the pipe cleaners, is that you can keep reshaping them if you're not happy with how they came out. Okay, so my next step is then going to be to take a piece of my yarn and wrap it around the heart in the part where the two halves come together. I'm going to wrap the piece of yarn around that and tie a knot. And if you don't know how to tie a knot, you can ask an older sibling or a grown-up to help you with that. And I'm going to do it right towards the middle here. And so now I've got my heart hanging on a string, and I might have to move the string a little bit more towards the middle. I'll move mine down a little bit so it hangs more evenly. There we go. Okay, and then I'm going to wrap that. I'll take that and wrap it around the 2 white pipe cleaners that come together. Oops, wait, sorry, that's the wrong side. Let's go to this side. This is going to be the top. And I'm going to tie a loose little knot. It's not even a knot yet, just the first part of it, so I can move it up and down. See how I have it? So I can move this up and down, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this till this heart hangs sort of in the middle of my circle, right about there. And then I'm going to go around, loop it under, so that will be the hanger, and we'll also hang on to the heart will hang in the middle of it like that, you see? So it's starting to come together as a mobile. I might move some of these beads down a little bit too, just to give it a little more strength down at the bottom. Oops. So here's the part that I want to hang it from, and here is my pipe cleaner. I'll keep bending this into a shape I like. I like the circle. Now I'm going to take some of those rainbow pieces of yarn. I cut them about 2 or 3 feet long, and I left them pretty long. You can make them short, and then you just would have more knots to tie. So I'm going to loop one of those around, so that it's like a loop here, and then take the 2 pieces, and we're going to do like what's called a slip knot. And we're going to pull that through. Now it's hanging down. And oops, I'm going to put that down so you can see it. So now that's hanging down, and it's very long, my mobile. So I'm going to do some more of my yarn. Make those slip knots and pull it down. And you can, again, like I said, you can make these shorter and just tie regular knots around it too. You could even have saved, if you wanted to, you could have saved your beads and put the beads on the yarn. You just have to make sure you tie a big enough knot at the bottom so that all the beads don't fall off the yarn. I really like this rainbow yarn. It's very colorful and fun. And it's okay if they get tied around the beads a little bit and stuff, that's totally fine. Doesn't take away from it at all. And like I said, you don't have to have covered all of it with the beads. I covered most of mine with beads. I had enough to do that. I think I had about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 things hanging down, which was about 7 very long strings. And they don't have to be perfectly even on both sides. They can be however you like it. And we're almost done with our mobile. And this is a fun decoration for Valentine's Day or any kind of day, really. It just kind of brightens up the whole room because it's all rainbow colors with the heart in the middle. Now, I hope you had fun making that today, and like I said, you should be able to make it however you want to make it. That's part of what STEAM is all about, is discovering how you want to make something. So I hope you have a great day, and happy Valentine's Day. Bye.